Hey guys, it's Thing 23 again. I want to show you my new custom diorama Predator by Neca. Here it is with a dim light, and I just put a flashlight there at the bottom to give this effect. I'll just show you here a little. There, side view. This is a customized diorama that I've been planning for a long time now, and finally it's done. And I did it. And my God, I'm so excited about this. This is such a great piece. Neca did a great job. This classic Predator, absolutely great. The detail on this is spectacular. Now I'm gonna put the lights on to give you a more clearer shot of what you're looking at here. Just turn on the lights, and there it is. Now you guys are probably wondering, how did I do this? Well, this is a bonsai tree. A bonsai tree, it's like a small tree, and you can get it for here in the Philippines. It's cost like 25,000 pesos. So that's like more or less like 500 bucks, 500 bucks in, more or less in dollars. But this bonsai tree I got, see, just looks like a real tree, because it is a real tree. This bonsai tree I got is for like 300 pesos. It's like about $9 converted to US dollars. It's already a dead tree, and I just went to the local landscaping shop and I asked if they're selling bonsai tree that are dead, that they're gonna throw away. So they said yes, they have, and they were selling it for 300 pesos, so that's about $9, I think. And then I got the top because it was so high, almost like that, and I got the other branch here because I was planning to put it there, but it still doesn't fit, and the roots were so big that I had to cut it. This right here is cement, about 12 inches by 8 and about an inch and a half thick. So I put the cement in. So first I tried to put it in a wood, but it didn't felt right. I want the tree to be submerged in, so I used the cement for it to look like it's underneath. And now for the Predator. My God, that looks good. I swear that looks good, man. That's just like that's the movie, from the movie. That's a pose from the movie. And I know there's a sideshow diorama the sideshow did, but I must say, when I look at this, it's like it's even better than the sideshow. It just looks even better. And how can you compare it? Because it's a real tree. So if you guys want to do this, just go to your local hardware or landscaping shop and ask for the bonsai tree. Now, how did I make the pose? So here we are, and what's so great about Neca toys is the articulation of these toys are just superb. You can make lots of poses, for these figures. And here's the pose which I tried to recreate from the original film. And I put a cable tie there, tying the knot so it wouldn't fall off. See? There. Here, guys, is the back view. Just to give you another shot here. And remember, this is the Neca 7-inch classic Predator. These aren't the 12 inches one. You guys might think these are the 12 inch like the Hot Toys, but these are the 7 inches figures. So you have an idea of how big this diorama, the diorama that I did. And if you guys like what I did, leave your comments and suggestions, and I'd really appreciate it. Thanks, YouTube. Bye bye.